What are you doing with the rocks? You think they're cool?
Ball?
Yeah, your ball's over there. You can go get it.
Yeah.
You gonna go get it? Oh, careful. You gonna get the ball? No? You're gonna walk right past it? Oh. Never mind. Don't put it in your mouth. Get back here, little boy. You think you can run faster than me? I don't think so. I have it. Thank you. Oh, buddy. Nice trick right there, huh?
Ball?
Yeah, go get your ball. Throw it. Throw it. You don't want to throw it. Where are you gonna? Good job. There you go. Nope, we don't go that way, bud. Let's turn around. Okay, can you say bye-bye? Oh, and look at the camera and say bye-bye. Hey. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.